kubuka sengazi ukuthi inkungu isiseduze ukuthi ke ivuleke laphana ke kuvelephi ngalo baba wakhe ke ongaqondakali kanti ke uSibongile ukuthola kunzima ukuthi ke athimaphe noJabu to destroy the Dlamini family. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Reaction. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Sibongile and the Dlaminis from the 7th to the 9th of October 2024 on Monday. Jabu thinks he has data on the Dlamini but find himself distracted. With a new look, Vuma's crush put a spring in his step. Velephi posts something that triggers Usipho on Tuesday. Upheteni readies for her big ball while Sibongile stumbles upon a very incriminating information. Velephi publicly breaks Vuma's heart with a confession on Wednesday. Sibongile is caught between a rock and a hard place when Jabu reveals his plan to destroy the Dlamini. Samge find herself falling for Vuma. Qiniso's house of lies gets shattered. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.